Hello everyone, it's really good to see you here. So in today's video, we are going to talk about Adobe Firefly text effect and how we can use this to create so many awesome fonts. So just click here, create with Firefly, and here I'm going to describe the text. Let's suppose Zlozie for instance, and I want food. So here you can see that I got a very interesting result. So let's download it and use it in our GitHub README file. In the same way, you can just describe whatever the thing you want to create a font with, and it is simply going to create that. And even here you can see that you got different options. So you got 4 type of options, and from that you can select whatever you want to use. This is the third one. So this is the last one. Now I like this one the most, so I'm going to download it. So this is the thing which we have got for now. So let's use this. Now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go on my README file, just go on the edit section, and then drag and drop the image which you have got. So see, it's uploaded here. I want it to be on the above, so I am just pasting it over here. So let's see the preview. So here you go. Now you have a very special README file which you can use to showcase that you are a pro coder, right? If you want, you can just crop this one and then add it to your profile, because then it sounds more genuine, right? So yeah, this is how you can generate this cool text and use it to your README file, to your website, and so on. So this is it for this video. I hope you liked it. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.